Optimism, OP, is a Layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. Optimism is one of the biggest scaling solutions for Ethereum with over $300 million in TVL. It is home to 35 protocols, the biggest being Synthetix, SNX, a derivatives exchange, Uniswap, Uni, DX, and Velodrome, Velo, and AMM. Users can begin their journey on Optimism by adding the chain on their MetaMask and bridging tokens like ETH to the L2. On May 31, 2022, Optimism conducted a highly anticipated airdrop of its OP token. The airdrop was so popular that it briefly slowed down the Optimism blockchain. In this video, I will talk about the Optimism crypto itself, also do some chart analysis on the token, and in the end also give you price prediction for the Optimism crypto in 2022. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. So I do appreciate if you quickly like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And feel free to share this video with your friends afterwards, if you find the information in this video useful. Having said, let's get right into this topic. Optimism aims for the minimum number of moving parts while building a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum. In practice, this means using proven Ethereum code and infrastructure when possible. Optimism thus aims to keep its code as simple as possible and work directly with existing codebases. Now that we are clear about Optimism, do you think OP will be beneficial crypto in 2022? Join me and let us see the charts in this OP price analysis and OP price prediction. Optimism, OP, current market status. As of the time of writing this Optimism, OP, price analysis, OP trades at $1.19 with a 24-hour trading volume of $232,389,930. The price of SFM has decreased by 5.62% in the last 24 hours. Furthermore, Optimism, OP, has a current total supply of 4,294,967,296 OP according to CoinMarketCap. Currently, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for OP are Binance, Huobi Global, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, and others. Now, let's proceed to the next part of this Optimism, OP, technical analysis for 2022. Optimism, OP, price analysis 2022. Currently, OP holds 2,807th place on CoinMarketCap. But will the latest upgrades, development, and changes in the Optimism OP ecosystem help the cryptocurrency price to reach higher? Let's proceed to the charts in this OP price prediction article. Keltner channel is a technical analysis indicator that is used to determine trend directions by measuring the volatility above or below the candlesticks. From the Keltner channel signals for OP/USDT, we can deduce that the price of Optimism OP might get bullish in some days since the price is in the first half of the channel from the bottom. However, in the long term, the price might get bullish since top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are already getting bearish from the recent bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the relative momentum in the magnitude of recent price changes so as to deduce oversold or overbought assets. The RSI value of the 2-hour chart is 40.40. This shows that OP is showing a neutral trend since its RSI lies between 30 and 50. This value can trigger a bullish run if investors reposition themselves either toward the buyers. From the chart above, the 50 MA is above the 10 MA, which means that long-term investors would gain. However, since the gap between the two moving averages is wide and both moving averages are above the recently formed candlestick, the next bullish run might be long. Optimism, OP, price prediction 2022. The chart below shows that Optimism, OP, has been affected by the crypto market downtrend in recent times. Moreover, the OP price shows a bearish trend. If this trend reverses, OP might run along with the bulls, overtaking its $1.26 resistance 1 level and moving higher to $1.66 at the resistance 4 level, the 2022 bullish signal. Conversely, if the investors turn towards the crypto, the bears might take over and push Optimism OP from its downtrend position. In simpler terms, the price of SFM might plummet to almost $1.08, a bearish signal. Meanwhile, our long-term OP price prediction for 2022 is bullish. It has a high possibility of reaching new heights. More so, this will only happen if it breaks many past psychological resistances. If this bullish trend continues, Optimism OP will reach $1.66 by the end of 2022. Moreover, the first half of 2022 is going to show fast growth, up to $1.26. Then this rise will slow down, but no major falls are expected. With upcoming partnerships and developments reaching $5 is quite optimistic in the price point of view, but undoubtedly feasible for the OP future. OP Crypto raising $100 million for fund of funds to back fund managers. The typical fund consists of deploying capital into certain sectors or industries, but venture capital firm OP Crypto is taking their own twist on the term. OP Crypto is raising $100 million for its new investment, dubbed Fund of Funds, to deploy capital into emerging fund managers focused on early-stage crypto investments. A fund for your fund, if you will. It's an underlying diversifying vehicle for investors looking to get actively involved in crypto, David Gaughan, founder and general partner at OP Crypto, told TechCrunch. But also it's a very good vehicle for strategic investors looking to really increase their deal flow across international borders and amongst people with niche vertical expertise. OP's fund will be focusing on supporting fund managers from certain subsectors like infrastructure, decentralized finance, NFTs, metaverse, gaming, and those with a geographical advantage in Latin America, Africa, India, and Southeast Asia, among other elements. Despite the current choppy and bearish market sentiment, the firm has received $50 million in commitments from both traditional and crypto-focused LPs, including Ledger Prime and FJ Labs, with a target and hard cap of $100 million. Lucas He, OP Crypto's COO and head of research, will be the general partner to the fund. Both he and Gaughan previously worked at Huobi, where they seeded the first funds of managers like Multicoin Capital, Dragonfly Capital, and 1KX. Combining my experience with Gaughan's, we really have a spectrum of SuFi, TradFi and DeFi experiences that give a great understanding of institutional money and their demands in the space, he said. A few months ago, the firm raised $50 million for its flagship venture vehicle, OP Ventures Fund, which is backed by Alan Howard and Bill Ackman alongside crypto-native institutions like Animoca Brands, Digital Currency Group and Galaxy Digital. Ultimately, we're at a state where a lot of institutional investors don't know where to park their money, and this safe haven-like vehicle allows people to come in, Gaughan said. We're only looking for emerging managers investing in venture, so it's a longer-term horizon, and they know that throughout a longer time span this is a really good sector to deploy heavily into venture with more reasonable valuations. The firm plans to deploy the new fund over a number of years, Gaughan said. We want to have an even spread of exposure in bull and bear markets, so there's good investments throughout both cycles. Optimism, OP, price prediction 2025. In the next 4 years, OP's price could race up to $40. However, reaching this level could not be so difficult for Optimism, as additional medium, short-term, and long-term price targets could be found to purchase or sell orders. This indicates that OP has a high possibility of reaching a new ADH soon in the next 4 years, as per the prediction. Let me know what you think about Optimism. And if you stick until the very end, thank you guys for watching. As always, I would appreciate a quick like, and also if you subscribe to the channel if you like this content and want to see more of it. That is having said, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.